Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to give you a video on a look for summer. My style, I'm not one to wear a lot of makeup. However, I do like to wear neutral colors and basically just enhance my features. So it's not going to be like a heavy loaded makeup, but it's one that I particularly like a whole lot. It's using, you know, bronzy tones for summer. Right now I have already put foundation and covered some of my dark spots on my face and, you know, prepped my face basically for the makeup that I'm gonna do. So what I'm gonna do first is I am going to apply the eyeshadow that I will be using, and technically it's not really an eyeshadow. What it is a bronzing palette. It's called Jessie's Girl. I'm gonna be using this brush. It just says it's a refining brush and I'm not sure where I got it from. Okay, and so the color that I will be using, and I'm not too sure what the name of the colors are, but I will be using this one here. This one right here, okay? I think it's the one that best fits my skin tone. So let's see how this goes. Okay. So first what I want to do is I want to define. Personally, I like to define first the line of where I'm going to be applying up to, which for me would be this. I like to go a little higher on the end here on this bone because I really don't have a crease, so I have to kind of create one myself. Okay, I'm gonna get a little bit more product. And I'm gonna do the other eye, same thing. Now that I have my eyeshadow done, I'm gonna kind of buff out the crease. Okay, just lightly, because I don't want to remove any makeup. All I'm trying to do is just soften the line. Okay, that's all I'm gonna do. Now I'm gonna go under the eyelid right here, okay, to make my eyes look a little bit bigger. And for that, I'm gonna use a different brush. I'm gonna try this one, which is a little bit more, the one I was using before is this one, and now I'm gonna use one that's a little bit more tapered and controlled so that I can get the eyeshadow underneath my eyes, okay? Or not the shadow, but the bronzer. Okay, I think I grabbed too much product, so I'm gonna let a little bit go. Just trying to get it defined. I hope you could see that. I have very small eyes, so it takes a whole lot for my eyes to pop, but you do what you can, right? Okay. You can never go wrong with bronze in the summer because it's a neutral color that never goes out of trend. It always comes back, and basically it's for all occasions, I believe. I'm also brushing a little more product at the end of my lid to darken it up a little bit. But I believe they're pretty even now. Now that I have that done, what I'm going to do is my eyebrows. What I use is the Wet n Wild kit for eyebrows, and it comes with this little brush. Okay, and I'm using that middle brown color right there. Okay, so we're going on the eyebrows now. And I usually do like the outer part first, because that's the part that I want to be the darkest. And then I kind of take that product and I drag it slowly towards the front. Very simple, not complicated. I don't think about making them perfect because they never come out perfect, so I just try to fill in the spots that are not filled, the sparse areas of my eyebrow. Okay, I'll do the other one now. I'm gonna brush it real quick. Alright, I believe that's it for the eyebrows. Put a little bit more on the end here. Okay, next step would be with the same kit, I'm gonna put a sort of eyeliner with the same product I was using for the eyebrows. I'm gonna take and I'm gonna line my eyelid underneath the bottom lid, okay? Like this. I don't know if you could see, I have added black underneath my eye. And I'm gonna take the same little brush and I'm gonna take that product up to my upper lid also, just to try to create like a sort of cat eye. And I'm gonna do the same with the other eye. Okay, can you see? I have added the black underneath my eyelid. I will go in a little bit further with the black into my inner corner. Okay guys, so that's what the eyes are looking like so far. I'm gonna take the corner, take this brush and do the corner as well to give it like a little wing, like a very faint wing to accent my eye. Okay, there it is. Now we're gonna do the mascara, okay? And I use this one, it's by Revlon, and the mascara that I'm using is Almay. Let's see, there it is. Okay, and I love this mascara. It has a wand like this. The other ones are reversed, where they have the tip thinner than the outer part. In this case, the outer part is wider than the inner part of the brush. So next we're gonna use the mascara. The Almay mascara is the one coat mega volume, okay? And the reason why I like this particular wand, because you could use it like you would use a traditional mascara wand. It has a brush at the top that you could use it like this and push your lashes up. And it gives you the opportunity to get all of the lashes, not just the ones that the brush can reach, but you can go more into the inner corners and the outer corners, and it's more precise. You could even go like this if you want to lift your lashes. And that's how that looks. Do the next one. So I highly recommend this mascara. Now I'm gonna do my lower lashes. I'm gonna go with my foundation brush underneath to make sure that there's no fallout from the eyeshadow or the contour. Alright guys, I think that is the eyes. The eyes are done. Now I'm gonna do contouring and highlighting. Now we're gonna do the lips and we should be done. And I'm gonna be using this lip liner by NYX. It's called, it's a matte lip liner, the NYX Suede. And it's called Sandlot. Sandlot, yes, okay. And I'm gonna be lining my lips. I'm gonna do this lipstick here. I got this at my local beauty supply, okay? Femme Couture. And the color I can't see. I'm gonna have to insert it, okay? But here we go. And one of the final things that I do is I take a brush and I'm gonna highlight the inner corners of my eyes, and for that I'm gonna use this product here, and I don't know the name, guys. It's kind of, I think I got this at like Rite Aid, and it came in a kit and it looks like this, okay? And if I happen to be able to read the name, I will insert that also here, so that you'll know what it's called. But I got this at Rite Aid a long time ago, and it's a beautiful shade for highlight. It's more on the champagne side rather than rose gold. With this brush here, it's just a little fine brush that I got like in those miscellaneous packets that you get of brushes. Alright guys, and this is the look. Let me fix my hair a little bit. Okay, this is the look. I hope you guys liked it. If you like it, my friends, don't forget to push that like button. I hope that you get some inspiration and ideas for the summer from this video. God bless you all. And I have other videos for skincare. I have fashion, a little bit of fashion, anything that has to do with beauty, tutorials. I do a lot of shopping at the thrift store, so if you're interested, go to my uploads and you will find a lot of great videos. So I'll see you in the next one.